Ar ôl wythnos yn paratoi ar lannau dyfrdwy roedd Cymru yn mynnu bod nhw'n barod am Pencampwriaeth Ewrop. A'r her gyntaf oedd yr her fwyaf o bosib yn erbyn y deilied, yr Alban, ar y cae ras.
We're building hopefully for the 2017 World Cup. We have to qualify next year obviously, but this is a big championship for us to look at some players and see how they can adapt to this level of rugby league, and it's only a short preparation because obviously the domestic season just finished, but we've had 5 good sessions and we've had a good camp, so we feel pretty confident that we can go out there and we can play well, and if we play well we'll have a great opportunity of coming away with success. Our hopes and ambitions is to go into the last game with a chance of winning it, and if we do that we'll feel as if we've done a good job, we'll feel as if we showed progression from last year, and we'll feel as if we're building for the future.
Dim ymheuaeth pwy ddechreuodd ore, Steve Parry o glwb All Golds Caerloyw yn torri'n glir I dirio dan y pist. A manteisiodd y tîm cartre'r ddiffyg disgybleth yr Alban hefyd, kick-gosb Courtney Davies yn gywir ar ôl trosedd yn ei erbyn. Tarodd yr Alban yn ôl ar ôl 7 munud ar 20, Dale Ferguson ar garlam. Ond am ddiffyn y collion ond siomedig I ddweud y lleia. Ond Cymru gath y gair ola yn yr hanner cyntaf, Dalton Grant yn gorffen symudiad cyflym campus yn y cornel. Roedd am ddiffyn Cymru yn holl bwysig wedi'r egwyl wrth i'r Albanwyr bwyso'n gyson. Ond cicio cywir Davies oedd I gwneud i'n 40 I 6 cyn I Anthony Walker ychwanegu cais arall yn dilyn gwaith da Ollie Olds. Ac yn sydyn, roedd buddigoliaeth holl bwysig o fewn cyrraedd. Roedd amser am un cais hwyr i'r Alban, Oscar Thomas yn glanio yn y gornel, ond roedd I lot rhy hwyr I newid y canlyniad ac am ganlyniad I Gymru hefyd.
Mae'r Alban yn tîm galed I chwarae a the boys were needing, dug in deep a dwi'n mor proud o'r boys I know.
I thought we played a really composed first half of rugby league. Then in the second half, we defended so heroically, and I think they only scored at the end through fatigue. So I'm absolutely delighted with what the players have turned up, but I'm more delighted they've shown true Welsh spirit and passion.
A Frank yn y beth yn nos rwan, buddigoliaeth arall?
Gobeithio, ond da ni'n gweithio galed nawr efo John a who knows falle buddigoliaeth arall, so roll on.
O'r gogledd i'r de, a nos Wener, roedd Cymru yn cwrdd â Ffrainc yn y brifddinas.
Should be a great evening. It's always special under floodlights, isn't it? The boys have been raring to go, and this is the decider for the European Championships. From not winning the game last year to beat the champions of the previous year, and all the big boys were out for Scotland. Yeah, it was an historic win. Historic in the sense as well because we've not won a game for 5 years.
You know, you've got to remember, we set our stall 3 years ago that we would blood some young players, and we've stuck to that religiously. And it's cost us a few difficult moments in some of these big matches, and we've lost heavily. But it hasn't hurt the players. One thing about the French is they play good rugby. They play similar brand rugby to we do, both union and league. They like to use the ball, they like to run with the ball, and we're expecting an entertaining game tonight.
Gyda'r ddwy wlad wedi ennill I gemau cyntaf roedd y cyfan yn y fantol ac roedd hynny'n amlwg yn gynnar yn y gêm. Cyfleoedd i'r naill dîm a'r llall, ond yr amddiffynfeydd yn dal I tir. Yn newidiad pethau ar ôl 7 munud ar 20, Dalton Grant yn rhedeg 60 metr I sgorio'i ail gais mewn 2 gêm. Am unwaith methiant fi cic Courtney Davies, felly peder I ddim I Gymru. Y pen arall y cae dangosodd y tîm cartre eu cryfder amddiffynol I gadw'r Ffrancwyr allan, ond roedd yr ymwelwyr ddigon cadarn hefyd, dim llawer ynddi ar yr egwyl felly. Roedd hi'n stori hollol wahanol yn yr ail hanner, Cymru yn cymryd eu cyfleoedd. Roedd Joe Burke yn hollol benderfynol ac yn croesi reit dan y pist. Y gic ddim yn broblem o gwbl I Davies chwaith a Chymru'n sydyn ar y blaen o 10-0. Roedd y cochion yn rheoli'n llwyr erbyn hyn, a daeth trydydd cais droch i waith unigol, penderfynol Courtney Davies. Y ciciwr yn cymryd mantes ac yn ymestyn mantes Cymru. Roedd Cymru a'r cefnogwyr yn synhwyro buddigoliaeth erbyn hyn ac yn brwydro am bopeth yn llythrenol ar adegau, ond yn parhau i amddiffyn yn arwrol hefyd. Serch hynny, llwyddodd Ffrainc i sicrhau i pwyntiau cyntaf nhw o'r gêm 7 munud yn unig o'r diwedd. Michael Simon yn sgorio'r cais dan y pist. Ond oedd neb yn poeni am hynny pan ath y chwiban ola, ac ar ôl blynyddoedd heb ennill, mae Cymru'n gwybod y bydd gêm gyfartal yn Iwerddon wythnos nesaf yn ddigon i sicrhau Pencampwriaeth Ewrop.
We played really well against Scotland and we backed that up once again with a really good performance against France, and obviously the results have followed.
Oedd e'n profiad arbennig go iawn. Ydy Ciron ni blwyddyn diwethaf, ni'n gwybod bod nhw'n tîm galed, ond i ennill hyn yn Caerdydd mae'n rhywbeth special go iawn.
This hasn't been about individuals, it's been about us as a group. There's an air of confidence and belief within the group that's growing. It does bode well for the World Cup because obviously we have to qualify next year, but if they keep progressing and keep playing as they have done during this tournament, we've got to be confident about that, and then it'd be great to go down under and in 2017 and give a real good account of ourselves.